Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, in our previous video, we did the divisibility rules for 2 and 3. We practiced them. We circled them on this chart. They are as you see up there. If you pay attention, then it will be obvious because you will understand the divisibility rules for 2 and 3. Now we're going to do, let's do 4 and 5. That sounds exciting.
Yeah.
I'm going to use Team Shake because I paid $1.99 for it. I want to get my money's worth. So Michael K., what is the divisibility rule for 4? If the last two digits are divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. So let's look at our first one. Leo, what are the last two digits in the first one? 36. 36. Does 4 divide into 36 evenly?
Yes.
Yes. So 36 is divisible by 4, which also means 4 times something equals 36. 4 times something equals 36. Let's put that there. All right, 57. Grayson, what are the last two digits in the number 57?
57.
Does 4 go into 57?
No.
No. So 4 is not divisible by 57. 4 times nothing equals 57 equally. 102. Joel, what are the last two digits in 102? 2. Does 4 go into 2 evenly, Joel? No. So 102 is not divisible by 4. Jonah, the last two digits in the number 200 are? 0. Does 4 go into 0 evenly? No. So it's not divisible by 4. Let's see. Jason, 4,518. What are the last two digits of 4,518?
18.
18. Does 4 go into 18 evenly?
Yes. Wait. No.
No. It does not go into 18 evenly. Garrett, what are the last two digits in the number 93?
93.
93. Does 4 go into 93 evenly?
No.
No. So it is not divisible by 4. Adam, what are the last two digits in the number 144?
44.
Does 4 go into 44 evenly?
Yes.
Yes. So 4 goes into 44 11 times, or 11 times 4 is 44. Since that's the last two digits, that's all we have to look at. Maddie, 556. What are the last two digits in 556?
56.
56. Does 4 go into 56 evenly? Say yes. Yes. 4 goes into 56 evenly. So 556 is divisible by 4. 75. Yes, sir.
On number 4, 200, it is divisible by 4 because you do 4 times 50.
Oh, good call. 4 times 50 does equal 200.
I circled it like first, but then since you said that.
Well, yeah, speak up. Well, that one, the rule's kind of deceiving, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it? Abby, what are the last two digits in the number 75? 75. Does 4 go into 75? No. And Bella, what are the last two digits in 450? Does 4 go into 50?
No.
So it is not divisible by 4. Oh, yes. I know, but for some reason 200 works if you multiply it by 50. So I don't know, that's weird on the rule. I don't particularly like the rule for 4, but you know, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Madison C. What is the rule for 5? The rule for 5. I call medicine. Good. If it ends in a 5 or a 0, it is divisible by 5. If it ends in a 5 or a 0, it is divisible by 5. So Layla, 36 divisible by 5?
No.
No. Michael C, 57 divisible by 5? No. Allie, 102 divisible by 5?
No.
No. I called Allie. Why is everybody over there? Allie's over here. Bree is 200 divisible by 5.
Yes.
Okay, I'm calling on Bree. The rest of you be quiet. Joe is 93 divisible by 5.
No.
Shh. Stop.
Okay.
Joe is 93 divisible by 5. No, it ends in a 3. Juliet is 144 divisible by 5. No. Jacob is 556 divisible by 5.
No.
Dallin is 75 divisible by 5. Yes. Eva is 450 divisible by 5. Yes. All right. So if you paid attention to that video that I played, and then you paid attention to us going over this, you should at least have a pretty good grasp on 2, 3, and 5. 4 is a little wonky. 4 is a little wonky, but, you know, we can deal with a little wonky. Except for Joel can't deal with a little wonky, but, you know, the rest of us can. The rest of us can.
I like wonky.
All right.
I like
I will record a third video. It's not time to leave. It's not. Okay. I'll record a third video of me going over 6, 9, and 10 in the next class. And that will be for you to watch on your time. Then you'll have this 100%. Because yesterday we went over the entire other side. And today we're going over the entire this side. Boom shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees, please subscribe, I want to be rich and famous.